Hello, and welcome to an early preview of SCS 3D, under development for foam cutting slicing ability. As I say, this is an early preview of it. Launching of it is scheduled a few months ahead. Over to the preview, let's see what happened when I pressed this button, aimed for the slicing, showing step by step how it is done. Here, how this model of a horse is sliced up. For each slice, a vector object will be created. Those vector objects will be sent over to SignCut Draw. With help of SCD, guiding holes will be applied to each of the vector objects. The holes will serve for accurate assembling of the styrofoam since it has been cut out. In the SCS 3D slicer, the final size of the horse will be set and the thickness of the slices, according to the thickness of the styrofoam that will be used. Then it will be nested, and thereafter a foam cutting design will be added to it. Finally, it will then be sent for hot wire cutting. Such a machine will be launched in June in Sweden. A very nice machine, one of its kind, which will be controlled by SignCut. This is how it's slicing continuous. Thanks for watching.